Melody and I are in Key West, Florida, and we are taking the Key West Glass Bottom Boat Tour. We're departing at 12 noon. It's a 2-hour tour. We're really stoked. 30 years ago, Melody and I took this glass bottom boat tour out of Key West, Florida. It was spectacular back then. We took our 2 boys when they were young. So this afternoon, we're really stoked about this glass bottom boat tour in Key West, Florida. They have kayaks here. It's a beautiful day. Let me show you what's right out in front. You see Melody? Melody's right here on the right-hand side of your screen. This is the front of the Glass Bottom Boat Tour. You get your tickets right there. We called in advance. Real nice folks booked us all about 4 days in advance to go on this tour. Just down the street, you're gonna find the Conch Tour train, and there are public restrooms in that yellow building off to the left. Right off of Mallory Square, that's where you'll find the Glass Bottom Boat Ride. And you'll find the Conch Tour Train Depot right here. There's a gift shop in here, very nice gift shop. And there's public restrooms in that building. Okay, we got our tickets. Departing shortly. So while you're waiting for your Glass Bottom Boat Tour, you can come up to the gift shop and check out the train depot and Mallory Square that is just adjacent to the Glass Bottom Boat Ride. Melody said she found a cruise ship just up from where you catch the Glass Bottom Boat Ride. Let's go up and check it out. Wow, this is pretty neat. Right next door to the Glass Bottom Boat Ride, you have a waterfront restaurant and bar. There's the cruise ship Melody found. She's checking out the menu. Now this is a pretty cool place right here. This is all restaurant seating along here. You can grab a drink, come out here and enjoy the water. Sure is beautiful. And the name of the restaurant is Sunset Pier, 0 Duval Street. That's the restaurant I just showed you. You can walk from the restaurant directly onto Mallory Square. I'm in Mallory Square right now. There's the cruise ship that's docked. And this is Mallory Square. We've boarded and we're ready to sail. Melody and I decided we're going to go check that restaurant out that's right adjacent to the Glass Bottom Boat Tour. It is a gorgeous day today. Really stoked about this Key West Glass Bottom Boat Tour. And off we go. That young lady up front is leading the way. And we are pulling out of the harbor. Toward the end of the video, Melody and I share with you some tips on this Glass Bottom Boat Tour.
grows on top of each other. So coral will grow on top of other live coral, salt coral will grow on top. Out here in the gardens, they grow side by side. Essentially, the bottom out here is mainly going to be soft sand. So this is always changing. If we have a bad hurricane or something like that, you basically come out here and you'll just see a whole bunch of just sandy patches. That are there, and that's where they're scraping it off the rocks. Now, parrotfish are responsible down here in Florida Keys for about 70% of all the sand we have here in the environment and on our beaches. Now, the farther up north you go, it's going to be about 30 to 50, and that's because the farther up north you have a larger expanse of land, and a lot of that will actually be essentially eroded away from mountains and other. Now the reason parrotfish are my favorite is not only because they're colorful, but they also make our beaches soft and enjoyable to walk on. I remember the first time I ever went up to Georgia to walk over their beaches, I was like, hopefully I can keep my shoes on. This is hard. I never knew beaches couldn't be soft.
We paid $53 a piece for the Glass Bottom boat tour. Before we departed, they advised us that they would not be taking us 7 miles out to the coral reef. Instead, because of poor visibility, they'd be taking us to the Gulf side 7 miles in. And we were, to be honest with you, we were a little underimpressed with what we saw on the Gulf side in terms of wildlife. So if we had to do it again, if they were not going to the coral reef in the Atlantic, we would either reschedule the trip or get our money back. After the Glass Bottom boat tour, we did head over to the Sunset Pier restaurant. The food was great, and so were the drinks. I think I'm going to leave it here. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.